Hello po!
Hello.
Ayan, another collaboration and hopefully like it guys and be with you tonight guys and be with you today for these collaborations po. Ayan, salamat po.
I try.
Sana po magustuhan nyo guys. Come on. If my love was here with me tonight, I would live with you for just a little while.
But I love you. This evening as I love you now.
And I'm sorry I can't be with you tonight.
True, I want to hold you in my arms tonight.
I'll put it tight, just 'cause it won't be right.
Maybe we meet again some other time. 'Cause tonight I only share my love with him.
Hey, come on. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you.
If I could be at your places and this is time, believe me, I will share my love with you.
Ayan, thank you so much guys. Salamat po.
Can I join?
Hey, come on. So please
Understand my situation. I love